My name is Murray Carter. I'm 17th generation Yoshimoto bladesmith and a master bladesmith of the American Bladesmith Society. Today, I'm making Damascus neck knives, just like the knife I've got here around my neck now. The steel we're using today is 31 layer laminate Damascus, composed of pure nickel sheet, 1015 high tensile strength steel, and a Hitachi white steel #1 core, which will give superior cutting performance in the final product. I forge it to knife-shaped billets that are thicker than they need to be, and they're also narrower than their final width. I'm grinding surface patterns into the thick billets of Damascus steel. I'm forging the billets that have a ground surface pattern in them to their final dimension. Once the tang and the blade are forged down to their final thickness, I heat the whole blade to its critical temperature and anneal it in a bucket of rice straw ashes.